Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, and today what is on my menu is I'm going to steam some cabbage with some broccoli and string bean with carrots and celery. And for my protein, I'm gonna have some bean that they call butter bean in Jamaica and some chickpeas. So no, this is a completely vegan diet, no meat whatsoever. So it's butter bean, broccoli and cabbage, and I'm gonna fry up the broccoli, some of the broccoli with the bean, with carrots and celery and string bean. And I have over here onion, sweet pepper, tomato, and some scallion. So these are my seasonings for this vegan diet that I'm gonna make. And for my carb, I'm gonna use some rice and some bulgur. So bulgur is a wheat that is brown. So I'm gonna have the bulgur and the rice. So I'm gonna wash my bulgur and my rice now before I put the rice in the rice cooker and put the bulgur on the stove to cook. Check your back, guys. So I'm washing the rice, guys. I'm not doing a lot of rice, as you see, so I'm washing it. I'm gonna wash the rice about 2 times before I put the last water. I'm giving my rice a second wash. Yes guys, you must wash your rice because nowadays the rice is very dirty. So you have to wash them a couple of times before you cook them. So now I'm gonna throw off this water. Because right now, look at the color of the water. Looks dirty. Yes guys, so I washed the rice 3 times. So now this water that is in the pot is what I'm gonna cook the rice with. So I'm gonna add some salt, some coconut milk, and a little Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So now guys, I'm gonna wash the bulgur. Even the bulgur, guys, the water is dirty, see? Even though the bulgur is brown, the water is dirty, so I'm gonna wash this a couple of times before I cook it. Yes guys, so the bulgur is all washed, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of water and I'm gonna use some coconut milk, some butter and Maggi all-purpose seasoning for seasoning to cook this bulgur, guys. Yes guys, so for the rice I'm gonna put some coconut milk and I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning powder, not too much. That's it guys. So this rice is in the rice cooker, guys, so I'm gonna cook this in the rice cooker. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna put some oil in my pot to make my chickpeas, to make my protein, which is the bean. So I'm gonna put the oil, and once the oil is hot a little bit, I'm gonna add the rest of stuff. In this pot I'm gonna make the cabbage and broccoli, so I'm putting a little bit of oil also. Yes guys, so the pot is hot, so I'm gonna add because the string bean take longer to cook, I'm gonna add this string bean. So I'm gonna let the string bean cook a little bit before I add the rest of stuff, before I add the beans. So this is a complete vegan diet, vegan meal, not diet, a complete vegan meal, guys. So I'm gonna let the string bean and the carrot cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the rest of stuff. Then I'm gonna add the onion and tomato and the rest of seasoning, guys, because these take longer to cook. So I'm gonna steam these a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk to help it to cook. Yes, guys, so this is a vegan diet, as I said, vegan meal. So I'm gonna cover this and let it steam a little bit first before I add the onion and the beans. Yes, guys, so in this pot only the broccoli gonna go in here. So I just do that, and I'm gonna add some tomato and stuff in this pot also. So guys, in this pot I'm gonna add some garlic. Guys, if you want to put more oil in your pot, you can, but I'm trying to cut back on the amount of oil I cook with. So now I'm gonna add some onion, some sweet pepper, and a little bit of tomato, guys. Yes, guys, so this is all sauté. So now I'm gonna add the cabbage. The cabbage already seasoned up, guys, with Maggi seasoning and some thyme. So I'm just gonna add this cabbage. This is already seasoned, guys. So I'm just gonna cover this and let it steam. So I'm gonna cover this, guys, and let it steam. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk just for taste. And now I'm gonna cover it and let it steam, guys. Yes, guys, so now that the string bean and the carrots and the celery almost cooked, I'm gonna add in the tomato. So I'm gonna add this in. And I'm also gonna add the beans. So now I'm gonna add the seasoning, guys. So now I'm gonna add some butter. So I'm adding the butter. I'm gonna add some garlic paste. That's some garlic paste. I'm gonna add the Maggi. And I'm gonna put a little, guys, I'm making this my own. I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce and a little bit of ketchup, in case I need to make a gravy for this, guys. Then I'm gonna stir everything in. So now, guys, you see the gravy getting a red color. So once you do this, you're gonna cover it and let it cook down. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in there, guys, so the beans can cook a little bit. It's vegan diet for today, guys. Vegan dish. Yes guys, so to cook down the beans, I'm gonna add some water, and then I'm covering this guys to make it cook. So I'll check you back later guys. Yes guys, so the rice is cooking in the rice cooker. Cooking guys. Over here guys, the bulgur is almost finished. So I'm gonna put the stove on low so the bulgur can finish steam. Yes guys, so for the beans, I'm gonna add some more seasoning. I'm gonna put some allspice seasoning, some thyme, some dry thyme guys, and I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika. So guys, you see the color that it's getting, taking on the color, nice color guys. So this is a color, it's a nice color with the ketchup and the barbecue sauce, so you give it a nice color guys. So this is butter bean with chickpeas and carrots and string bean guys. So we're gonna have this with some rice and some bulgur. Yes guys, I'm gonna check. Woo! So I'm gonna check on my cabbage and my broccoli. Cabbage and the broccoli going well guys. So I'm just gonna turn off the stove right now and let the cabbage and the broccoli finish steam with the heat that is already in the pot guys, because I don't want my broccoli to get overcooked. So now I'm gonna turn off the stove and leave it open. Yes guys, so I turn off the stove. I'm gonna leave it open to get rid of the steam so my broccoli don't get overcooked guys. Yes guys, so I season up the broccoli with some Maggi seasoning and some thyme leaf guys. So and I put some coconut milk and a little piece of butter with some tomato, some scallions, some onion and some sweet pepper with tomato guys. So this is what in this pot. See, check your back guys. Yes guys, so the rice is still cooking. Have about 26 minutes left to cook the rice. So let's go check on the beans guys. Yes guys, so the beans boiling. So let's stir. So now guys, you see the beans is getting its gravy thicken. The gravy start to thicken in the pot. Yes guys, this is our vegan dinner tonight. Meatless guys, meatless dinner. So guys, if you're still watching the video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment guys. So this is my vegan dinner for tonight for the family. No meat guys, complete vegan. Beans, you know, beans is very high in protein guys, so you don't have to cook meat all the time. You can cook beans also and eat it with whatever you want to eat it with, because beans are very high in protein, just the same as the meat, probably more healthier than the meat. So guys, sometime cut back on the meat and eat some beans and vegetable. Alright guys, check you back in a minute guys. Yes guys, so my cabbage and my broccoli is completely, not completely, but almost cooled down. So there it is guys. As I said, tonight is a no meat night. vegetables and beans with rice and bulgur. Yes guys, so let's stir up the bulgur. So the bulgur is almost done, guys. Yeah, the bulgur is cooked, guys. Yes guys, so there you go for the bulgur. Yeah, the camera is not being focused, guys. Yes, so there you go, that's the bulgur right there. So guys, if you don't want to eat rice, you could eat bulgur. Bulgur is very high in fiber, so I think the bulgur probably a little bit better than rice. So for those who don't want to eat rice, you could have bulgur. You could find it in the supermarket, and you just wash it and cook it just like if you're cooking rice. Yes guys, let's check back in on the beans, because I think it's almost time to turn off the stove. So let's see how this is going, guys. Woo! Yes guys, so all the water, most of the water is boiled down. So whatever water left is enough for the gravy. So now I'm gonna turn this off, because when you turn, if you cook the beans all the way down, guys, the beans is gonna dry. You just suck up all the gravy. So guys, that's it. So this is my protein for dinner, guys. String bean with carrots and bean and chickpeas and butter bean. I don't know, guys. I know there is a name for this bean, guys, but on the can it say butter bean. So if they say butter bean, a butter bean it is. Okay, guys. Yes guys, let's check back on the rice. Rice is not fully cooked. It's coming on. So guys, I'm not going to continue recording for the rest of this, because now you know what I cooked. Some white rice, or some red rice, because I had some ketchup in there to make it get a little bit red. So that's what we're having for dinner, some rice with some beans and string bean and carrots, some cabbage and broccoli, and guys, don't forget, over the back of this over here is my bulgur from the people who don't want any rice. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment, guys. Thank you so much guys for your support. Until next time, catch you guys later. Alright, bye bye.